Presenting Redmi 32 inches HD Ready Android Smart LED TV in the color black. The HD Ready TV with 1366 by 768 pixels resolution and 60 Hz of refresh rate gives you an ultimate experience. The A+ grade LED panel, vivid picture engine and detailed picture control lets you immerse in the world of entertainment. Moreover, the ultra-bright screen, dynamic contrast and dynamic backlight make sure that you don't miss a single scene. The 178-degree wide viewing angle lets you enjoy your movies from any part of the room. This Android TV runs on a quad-core processor and has 1GB RAM and 8GB storage. The TV has Chromecast built-in, patch wall 4 with IMDb integration, kids mode with parental lock, more than 75 free live channels, universal search, language universe with more than 16 languages, auto low latency mode and Miracast. This smart TV supports Prime Video, Netflix, Disney+, Hotstar, YouTube, Apple TV and more than 5,000 apps from Play Store for an endless amount of enjoyment. The TV supports dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0 and comes with 2 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports and 3.5mm headphone jack. The 20 watts powerful stereo speakers with Dolby Audio, DTS Virtual X, DTS HD and Dolby Atmos provides an enticing musical experience.